Hi guys, and now we are
See,
no, I'm introducing it. Okay, this is a Q&A of my
you just
Q&A.
wait, shut up. I just realized
What?
my voice comes out distorted again.
It's not that bad.
Yes, it is. It's
You're
terrible.
not the main character doing it, okay?
Fine, then I guess I'll just hang up.
Don't, you piece of crap.
I'm not a piece of crap. I'm a piece of peach.
Okay, let's go on with the questions. The first question is by Brendan-81105. Who do you have a crush on? First of all,
Wow, looks like he wants some revealing answers.
revealing answer. Well, first of all, I do not smoke the kush, so yeah, I'm sorry.
He's like, I want Techno Blizzard to say he has a crush on me. That's why the only reason I'm asking.
That's pretty fucking gay. Okay, considering on, this one is by Alka. Congrats, Techno. Maybe this was so fast.
We interrupt this Q&A for a special announcement. Go subscribe to Peach the Gangsta.
No, you already have enough subscribers. You subbot.
I didn't subbot. Somebody subbot it on me.
Okay, first of all, the first question from Alka is, who is your favorite character on Plush Fan Island? And it cannot be Dumbo.
It's obviously Mero.
No, he's talking about his show.
I know. It's obviously Mero.
Okay, first of all, he said it can't be Gumball since that's already my favorite. So my second favorite is I have to say, I don't know, maybe Chips.
Oh,
Second,
you want to know my favorite?
what?
It's that one speck of dust that appeared in that one video.
Wow, that was my favorite. Second question: Who is your what? Who is your favorite color? Okay, he meant what is your favorite color?
I didn't know colors could be people.
Anyways, continuing on. What is your favorite color? Mine is green.
It's blue.
It's green.
No, it's blue.
Blue is my second favorite.
If it's green, then why are you a green gumball?
Because I wanted blue, okay? Okay. The third one is why Gumball is your favorite. Okay? This is very complicated.
Because he wanted it to be his favorite.
No, this is because it was the first object, the thing I made. Okay.
Or is it?
Yes, it was the first thing. Okay, the third question. I mean, wait, I already answered it. Now the next question.
Techno, you should just ignore every single other question and answer my question.
Hold on, I'm getting to there. Anyways, it's from Peanut Butter Cup, and Peanut Butter Cup asked, "How did you get the name Techno Blizzard?" Wow, started in 1945.
Yeah, I was there. I was like, oh, Techno Blizzard, what should your name be? And I was like, I don't know, let's just make it something irrelevant to my channel. And I was like, all right, how about Techno Blizzard? Oh yeah,
that makes no sense. You're like, hey, Techno Blizzard, like, what should we name it somewhere? I was like, I don't know, if it was something relevant to my channel. And you're like, oh wait, Techno Blizzard, like your actual name.
No, yeah, that's his actual name. That's his name in real life.
Yeah,
I only call him Techno Blizzard, not Elian, not Josue. No, Techno Blizzard. That's his real name.
Did you just leak my real name?
Yes.
Gosh darn it! But they don't know which one it is. Haha.
So, yeah.
They don't know which one it is. Haha. Anyways, I got the name Techno Blizzard because I wanted to.
My real name is Josue, so the other name is Techno's name. So yeah.
Anyways, I got the name Techno Blizzard because I wanted the original name. The end.
That's an original name?
Yes, I searched up on YouTube.
Irrelevant to your channel?
Well, I did not see. Okay, it was an opportunity I took. Okay, I could have got something else, but I don't care. Just put that name, but stick with it.
I want to change my YouTube name to Dr. Josh.
Okay, we're getting off track. Now, for this one is by Clash of the...
I leave a bit of filler. It's kind of a joke. So yeah, not off track.
Okay, next one. It's by Clash Down of the Objects official,
No, no,
aka
no, no, no. You have to answer Peanut Butter's Cup other question.
Oh yeah. What got you into plushies without like IES?
What didn't get him into plushies? I mean, who doesn't love plushies?
Well, you see, it all okay, but really, I just like plushies, and yeah, that's it. Anyways, now for the next question. Is by Clash Down of the Objects official, aka Sam.
Wait, shut up for a second.
Dude, you're getting me off track.
I just realized I already answered one of Lethal Does a Dose. One of his questions. I just answered it because he said, "What's your actual name?"
We're getting irrelevant to this, okay? Okay. The first question
You said, "What's your actual name?" I gave it's Elaine.
It's not Elian, but okay. That's not how you pronounce it. Okay. When did you gain 100 subs? That's a stupid question.
He got it in 1945 or whatever.
Yeah. Second question. Since in 4 months, 100 subs, you have what type of happy? Very happy. And the third question. Since when are you releasing Object Battleground? I don't know. Either late February or in March or something like that.
He's releasing it whenever his lazy ass says, "Oh, I'm gonna go do something."
And you're gonna get a life one day. Okay, why are you? Okay, finally. Wait, this is the final question, but by our Lord and Savior Pichu the Gangster asked, "Why you're a gumball?" Wait, actually, you can read your own question.
Oh yeah, why are you a gumbo? Why not a Pichu or a carrot? For some reason, a carrot or a bird or a chair. Why not Miro? Why not a rabbit? Why not a tree?
That's enough. That was all.
Why not dirt? Why not the earth? Why not the universe? Why a gumball?
Okay, a gumball. Cause I don't know. I like gumballs.
You like gumballs? What about balls in general?
Die. Okay, next one is by Lethal Dose of Adderall, and which is the last question. What's your actual name? Well, my actual name is.
Actually, the lion.
It's not Elian. That's not how you pronounce it. But my actual name is
Hey, stop.
Senior the third.
I didn't say Elian. I said a lion. His real name is a lion because he's a lion, not a gumbo.
Whatever. Let's just skip the question because like you're being a jerk about it. Next question: when did you get into the object camps? Oh, crud.
He got into it when he felt like it.
I got into it when like a couple of weeks when I found out object shows, which object shows I found out in like October. And then for the final question, what are your goals for this year?
His goals is to not be a lazy ass.
And your goal is to not make terrible content. Oh wait, you're not doing that goal. Ah!
Oh yeah? Well, guess what?
No, but seriously, let me answer this.
And I guess you share the same goals as me then.
I hate you. Anyways, okay. My goal for today is just to entertain people with my content.
Or is it? So
that was all of the questions.
Gosh.
Yeah, that was the Q&A. Bye.